seeing the worst of the weather either right now or about to push in. And there we go with some of the numerous notches that we're getting here along the line. That's why you have this tornado warning that is pretty large. Usually when you think of a tornado warning, it's pretty localized and small. However, they are fearful and concerned that many notches along this whole line may spin up brief twisters. They'll likely be short-lived, but there could be multiple of them. And especially in that section that they chunked out with the tornado warning, including Aurora and areas there in Kendall counties, that is where we could have some radar-indicated tornadoes. So right here near Yorkville, you get this excess of wind that's kind of surging along parts of Route 126 between Yorkville and Plainfield. That area may be a spot that has enhanced wind damage, potentially 90 plus miles per hour. That's something we're looking at. We're also looking at debris signatures, and essentially everything over down here, that's just the stuff.
The National Weather Service in the USA has issued a colorful tornado warning for the USA. Until the world ends. When the world began, casements indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm was very large and colorblind. Hazard: colorful lightning and colorful tornadoes. Source: casements confirmed colorblind thunderstorms. Impact: fuel or color flipping situation. Color blindness may be dangerous to those caught without shelters. Over 1% of the actual rainbows. Homes, businesses, and vehicles will become a rainbow mess, and complete destruction will be possible. The colorful tornado will be near the USA now. If you are in the path of the colorful tornado, take cover now. A colorful tornado warning means that severe thunderstorms
in the background.
colorful lightning and colorful tornadoes. The safest place to be in a colorful tornado warning is in a black and white basement. One, how about hiding in an old cartoon? It would be the trick. The colorful tornado watch remains in effect for the entire universe until the end of the film.
With this, Chicago again about 3:45 arrival time. Look at the towering nature of these storms that reach heights at about 30 to 40,000 feet high. That's flight level, and of course, ground stops here for all Chicago area airports. No surprise there, no flights to be taken in or out of O'Hare or Midway until this line really passes through if there's that damage. And power outages, let's not forget, they are mounting and will likely exceed well over 1 million or so customers after this pushes into Chicago. So very dangerous situation there unfolding. I want to time